Hello friends, today we learn I am sentences. Let's start.
Yay!
I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am getting dressed. I am eating breakfast. I am packing my bag. I am going to school. I am playing with my friend. I am sharing my toys. I am finishing my homework. I am running. I am washing my hands. I am helping with chores. I am reading a book. I am taking a bath. I am saying goodnight. I am sleepy. I am jumping. I am drinking water. I am taking tea. I am happy today. I am sad today. I am weeping. I am hungry. I am astonished. I am busy now. I am angry. I am sick. I am shy girl. I am confused. I am tired. I am thirsty. I am surprised. I am scared. I am beautiful. I am bald. I am strong. I am worried. I am in hurry.